Hello friends, this is Saida Birman from UPSC Aspirates. Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Goa political map. Maharashtra is a state in western and central peninsular region of India, occupy a substantial portion of the Deccan Plateau. Mumbai is the capital of the Maharashtra. Formation of the state is 1 May 1960 by splitting the Pinnacle Bombay state. Third largest state by the area. Area covers 3,77,713 square kilometer. It has 36 districts. It borders by the Arabian Sea. To the west, Karnataka and Goa to the south, Telangana to the southeast, Chhattisgarh to the east, Madhya Pradesh to the north, and Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu to the northwest, and Gujarat is also in north. These are the boundaries of the Madhya Pradesh. Symbols of the Madhya Pradesh: emblem, seal of Maharashtra. Song: Jai Jai Maharashtra Maja. Language: Marathi. Food: Pav Bhaji, Vada Pav, Misal Pav. Dance: Lavanya. Fish: Rohu. Animal: Indian cane squirrel. Bird: yellow-footed crane, penguin. Flower: jorul. Butterfly: plume manor. Chief Minister of the Maharashtra: Uddhav Thackeray. Deputy CM is Ajit Pawar. Governor: Bhagat Singh Koshari. Legislated bicameral Vidhan Sabha 288 seat. Vidhan Parishad 78 seat. Parliamentary constituency Raj Sabha 19 seat. Lok Sabha 48 seats. The state has three crucial biographical zones, namely Western Ghat, Deccan Plateau and West Coast. There are the many wildlife sanctuary or national park. Yaval is the national park. Dhangna Kolge is the national park. Bor, Bench, Nagzira, Newgaon National Park, Radhanagari is the national park, Daboba National Park, Chandoli National Park. These are the national park of the Maharashtra. About the Goa. Goa is a state on the southwestern coast of India within the Konkan region, geographically separated from the Deccan highlands by the Western Ghats. It is the smallest state by area and fourth by population. Panaji is the capital of the Goa. Formation of the Goa is 30 May 1987. Area covers of the Goa is 3,702 square kilometer. It is bordered by the Arabian Sea. To the west, Maharashtra; to the north, Karnataka; to the east and south. It is the third ranking among Indian states in Human Development Index. Symbols of the Goa is emblem of Goa, mammal code, bird, flame toasted bulbul, fish, grey mullet, kolkani, flower, jasmine, fruit, cashew, tree, Mati Terminayu, dance, dhalu, ghere, food, rice, seafood, coconut. Chief Minister of the Goa is Pramod Sawant. Governor R.S. Sridharan Pillai. Legislature unicameral 40 seats. Parliamentary constituency Raj Sabha 1 seat, Lok Sabha 2 seats. Suranagar Falls at Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary and Molan National Park. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. These are the bird sanctuary and national park of the Goa. About the Telangana. Telangana is a state in India situated on the south central stretch of the Indian peninsula on the high Deccan Plateau. Hyderabad is the capital of the Telangana. Here is the Hyderabad. Formation of the Telangana is 2 June 2014. It was separated from the northwestern part of the Andhra Pradesh. It is the 11th largest state by area and 12th largest by the population. Area covers 1,12,077 square kilometer. It is bordered by the state of Maharashtra to the north, Chhattisgarh to the northeast, Andhra Pradesh to the south, and Karnataka to the west, Andhra Pradesh to the east to south. Symbols of the Andhra Pradesh. Emblem: Katakia, Kala Toram, Charminar, Mammal, Spotted Deer, Bird, Indian Roller, Flower, Sena auriculata, Tree, Prospis Cyrenea, Dance Kuchipudi, Tribal Timsa, Lambadi Dance, Food, Sarna Bindi. Dance Kuchipudi, Twimel Sub, Lambadi. Chief Minister of the Telangana is K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Governor Tamilisai Sundaranjan. Legislature bicameral. Assembly 119 seats. Council 40 seats. Parliamentary constituency Rajya Sabha 7 seats. Lok Sabha 17 seats. It has 3 national parks: Kasu Prananda Reddy National Park, Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park, Madhukavalani National Park, Wildlife Sanctuary, Itunkaram Wildlife Sanctuary, Pakhal Wildlife Sanctuary, Kaval Tiger Reserve. This is the Wildlife Sanctuary here. National Park. Pakhal is the National Park. Kaval Tiger Reserve. About the Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is a state in southeast coastal region of India. Amravati is the capital of the Andhra Pradesh, 7th largest state by area and 10th largest state by population. The state formation was on 1 November 1956. Area covers 1,62,976 square kilometer. It is bordered by Telangana to the northwest, Chhattisgarh to the north, Odisha to the northeast, Tamil Nadu to the south, Karnataka to the west, and Bay of Bengal to the east. Here is the coastal region of Bay of Bengal. Symbols: emblem Purna Khatam, song Ma Telugu Meliki, dance Kuchipudi, mammal blackbuck, bird rose ringed parakeet, fish mudfish, flower jasmine, fruit mango, tree neem, sport kabaddi. There are many sanctuaries, national park and zoological parks such as Corina Krishna Wildlife Sanctuary, Nagarjun Srisailam National Tiger Reserve, Kambala Konde Wildlife Sanctuary, Shri Venkateswaran Zoological Park. Kaleru is the bird sanctuary, national park. Koringa is the wild bird sanctuary. and Krishna is the main river of the Andhra Pradesh. Thank you and subscribe my channel.